let me teach you how to make the best Asian dumpling soup you've ever had. It's so comforting, so warm, and best of all, it's done in about 15 minutes. Grab these ingredients and let's get to work. So we're gonna start off by just sauteing our chicken dumplings in a little bit of olive oil. This is an optional step, but I like that golden brown crust that the dumplings get when you pan sear them in a little bit of oil just for a couple of minutes each side. Remove them from the pan and then go ahead and saute your garlic and shiitake mushrooms. Then add in your bok choy or whatever green leafy vegetable of choice. Add in your chicken stock. Stock is gonna give you way more flavor in this recipe since it is a soup-based brothy recipe. Stock is made with dark meat and so a little bit more flavor profile in the liquid. You're gonna add your sliced scallion to the broth as well as those pan-seared dumplings right back on top. And all you're doing in this step is bringing everything to temperature. I like to go in with some udon noodles as well. These take no longer than a minute to cook. Flavor it all up with some soy sauce, and if you like heat, you can add some chili crunch here too. This soup looked bomb, didn't it? I mean, come on. You cannot tell me you're not gonna give this a try. The recipe is in the description bar below, and I have tons more videos like this on my channel. If you like cozy, easy, delicious, warm, and comforting recipes, you're in the right place. So make sure you click subscribe, and don't forget to tap this video and watch them next.